Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am here to continue with the same chapter which we have studied in the previous video, chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift. So in our previous video we have discussed the first page of the chapter. So in this video we will discuss the second page of the chapter. So all of you please open page number 26 and follow what I will be reading and what I will be explaining, because I will be reading and then explaining paragraph wise. So yes, here I go. It was very quiet in the house. He was so busy drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not even hear his mother's footsteps as she came into the room. "Oh, Benjamin, what have you been doing?" she cried. The boy sprang up alarmed. "It's only a picture of the baby, mother," he said. His mother was so overjoyed that she hugged him and kissed him. Then suddenly she began to worry. Had Benjamin done the right thing? "Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture?" she asked. "I didn't learn it," he answered. "I just did it. I couldn't help but do it." So now in this paragraph you see that now it was very quiet in the house. Okay, why it was quiet? Because Benjamin was busy drawing the beautiful picture of his sister, of his cute little sister. So he was not thinking of anything else. So he was so busy and so concentrated in his drawing that he could not hear his mother's footsteps. That his mother suddenly she just got into the room and he could not hear her footsteps. So when Benjamin's mother said, "Benjamin, what have you been doing?" When she said like that, so Benjamin got very frightened. Very frightened means the boy got sprang up. Sprang up means, here you see the meaning is given. Sprang up means jumped up suddenly. Suppose if you are sitting in the room quietly and somebody just stepped into your room and screamed your name, that Benjamin, so you will also get scared, right? So in the same way, Benjamin also got scared and just he got up suddenly. Sprang up, alarmed. Alarmed means scared. So he just got up suddenly and got very scared. Oh my God, who just entered? So Benjamin just thought like that because he did not hear his mother's footsteps. So he got very scared when his mother screamed. When his mother screamed, he got very scared and he just jumped up suddenly. "It's only a picture of the baby, mother," he said. So what did Benjamin reply to his mother's questions when his mother asked him that, "What are you doing, Benjamin?" So he answered that, "Mama, I'm just drawing a picture. It is just a picture of a baby, nothing else." So his mother was so overjoyed. Overjoyed means, here you see the meaning is given. Overjoyed means very happy. So when his mother saw the picture, she got very happy. She got very happy. Why? Because the picture was very beautiful. She could not believe that Benjamin had drawn that picture. So she got very happy and she hugged and kissed him. She got very happy. When your mother gets happy, so they also hug you and kiss you, right? So in the same way, Benjamin's mother also hugged him and kissed him. Then suddenly she began to worry. She was happy, but at the same time she was getting worried. We don't know why she was getting worried. She was getting worried because she was not knowing that had Benjamin done the right thing. She was confused that has he done the right thing or this is the wrong thing. So she was confused that it is the right thing or it is the wrong thing, because she was all confused in her head. So she was getting worried also, but she was getting happy also. So it was just a mutual feeling, mixed feeling we can say. "Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a beautiful picture?" she asked. So she asked Benjamin, "Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a beautiful picture?" Because she did not know, because she wasn't aware of Benjamin's talent. She wasn't aware of his son's talent. So that's why she was asking him that, "From where did you learn to draw a beautiful picture?" "I didn't learn it," he answered. "I just did it. I couldn't help but do it." So what did he answer to his mother? He said, "Mother, I did not learn it from anywhere, but I just draw this picture, but I don't know, I couldn't stop myself. I just drew it." Because I couldn't stop myself means, you see the meaning is given. I couldn't help but do it. I couldn't help but do it means something made me draw the picture and I could not stop. So somebody just forced him. Not something inside him just forced him to draw that picture because he couldn't stop himself. Because when he saw that baby girl who was there in the crib, he just saw her and he got very, happy to see his little sister sleeping there. So just a thought came in his mind that he needs to draw a picture. So he just drew it without any force and without any consultation or without somebody telling him. He just drew it on his own and he didn't stop himself because he wanted to draw a picture. It was his inner feeling. It was his inner feeling. So now we'll see what happens in the next paragraph. So please follow me while I'll be reading. When Benjamin's father came home, his mother showed him the picture. It looks like her, doesn't it? She asked. But I don't know what to think. It is very wrong for Benjamin to do such a thing, she added. Benjamin's father did not answer. He looked at the picture carefully. Then he handed it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." So now in this paragraph we see that now Benjamin's father just entered in the house. Okay. So as soon as he entered in the house, Benjamin's mother showed him the picture. Picture to whom? To his father, Benjamin's father. So while he was looking at the picture, Benjamin's father was looking at the picture. So his mother just said, "See, she just looked like a baby girl, no?" So she asked him, "See, this picture is so beautiful and this picture is so lively that she actually looks like a daughter, like a baby little girl." So Benjamin's father did not answer anything to her. He got really confused just like her because she was also worried. Benjamin's mother was also worried before. So maybe Benjamin's father was also equally worried. So he did not answer to her question, his mother's question. He did not answer. So because he was also thinking that maybe Benjamin has done the right thing or maybe he has done the wrong thing. So he was also confused. So Benjamin's father did not answer. He looked at the picture very carefully. He was looking at the picture and he was also unable to believe that Benjamin had drawn that picture. That Benjamin had actually drawn that picture because that picture was very beautiful. So even he could not believe that his son has drawn that picture. Then he just handed it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." He did not answer it. So he just told his wife, he saw the picture, looked at it very carefully and he just gave it to his wife and said, "Put it away." So now we see what happens in the next paragraph. Several weeks later, the priest of their church called on them. The priest was a wise old man with a very pleasant face. He was loved and respected by everyone. Benjamin's parents decided to show him the picture. They told him how Benjamin was always trying to draw something. They wondered if they should stop him from doing so. The priest looked at the picture for a long time. Then he called Benjamin to him and put his hands on his head. So in this paragraph you see several weeks later. Several. The word in red color is given in your book. So several means many. So many weeks later, the priest of their church. The priest of their church means, what does priest mean? Priest means the religious leader, the one who practices or the one who worships in church. The one who leads worships in church is known as priest. So the priest of their church called on them. Called on them means, you see the meaning is given. Called on them means visited them at their house. So the priest of their church visited them. Them whom? Benjamin and his parents. So the priest of the church went there to meet them. And the priest was a very wise, intelligent man. Wise old man. He was old but he was very wise and he had a very pleasant face. Pleasant means very happy face. So he was a very happy and jovial kind of a person. So he was a very pleasant, calm person. The priest of that church. He was a very pleasant and kind person. So he was very loved and respected by everyone. Since he got a very jovial nature, the pleasant nature, so he was loved by everyone. He was very loved and respected by everyone. So Benjamin's parents decided to show him the picture. So Benjamin's, since he was an an old man, very intelligent old man, and he was a priest. So Benjamin's parents thought to show him the picture. Which picture? The picture which Benjamin had drawn of his sister. So they showed him the picture. They showed the picture to a priest. They told him how Benjamin was always trying to draw something. So they even told the priest that every time Benjamin he used to draw pictures, but they never noticed those pictures. And this is the first picture that they noticed, because it was a beautiful picture and they could not believe that he had drawn that picture. So this is the first picture. They took it very seriously. So they showed that picture to the priest. They wondered if they should stop him from doing so. So this line, the line which is given in red color, they wondered if they should stop him from doing so means, you can see the meaning is given there in the book. They wondered if they should stop him from doing so means, in the past people thought that doing something creative like painting, singing, acting and so on was not correct. Sometimes people were even punished for doing things that were creative. I already told you this in the previous video that Benjamin's parents did not like him to draw pictures or do paintings, because they thought that these are useless things and it is just a waste of money. So they did not want to spend money for such things, because in olden days parents were not supporting their kids for these things. They were only supporting their kids for studies, not for painting or other activities. They used to think that it is just a waste of time. So Benjamin's mother and father, they were also wondering that is it a right thing, because they were not wanting Benjamin to go into this field, the field of art and craft, painting or any creative stuff. So they were not ready for that until unless they saw the picture. So now they are confused. Earlier they were very rigid, know that they will not give Benjamin a chance to draw pictures or go in this painting field. But now they are confused and now they are thinking that is it a right thing not to give him chance? So now they are reflecting on it. So the priest looked at the picture for a long time. Then he called Benjamin to him and put his hands on his head. But priest was very impressed. Yes, the priest of their church was very impressed by his picture. So he called Benjamin and put his hand on him. Whom? Benjamin. Put his hand on his head and he might be praising him. So now we'll see what happens next. So yes, that's all for today. The entire page I have explained in English. Now I am going to explain this page once again in Hindi just for your convenience. कि जो आज हमने ये पेज में क्या सीखा है, आपने देखा कि हमने स्टोरी में पहले ही पढ़ चुके थे कि बेंजामिन के मम्मी पापा उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग में, तो उसने कभी ये चीज़ें की नहीं थी। तो अब उसने पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर ली। किसकी पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर ली? अपनी बहन की। तो उसने देखा कि उसकी बहन सो रही है क्रिब में, तो बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी, तो उसने वो उसकी प्यारी सी पिक्चर बना ली। अब वो रूम में अकेला बैठा हुआ है, सडनली उसकी मम्मी आती है, अचानक से उसकी मम्मी आ जाती है, वो डर जाता है और उठ जाता है चौंक के कि अरे मम्मी आ गई। तब जैसे उसकी मम्मी आती है, वो पिक्चर देखती है, उसकी मम्मी बहुत खुश हो जाती है, इतनी प्यारी पेंटिंग, इतनी प्यारी पिक्चर, बहुत खुश हो जाती है। तो जैसे बेंजामिन उसकी मम्मी से पूछते हैं कि बेंजामिन ये सच्ची आप ही ने बनाई है? तो बेंजामिन कहते हैं हाँ मम्मी ये पिक्चर तो मैंने ही बनाई है। तो वो बहुत खुश होती है, खुश तो होती है लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा सोचने भी लगती है और थोड़ा वरी करने लगती है। वरी करने मतलब थोड़ी परेशान भी हो जाती है। क्यों परेशान हो जाती है? क्योंकि उनको ये नहीं पता था कि उनके बच्चे ने ये जो चीज़ की है वो सही है या गलत। क्योंकि पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था, जो बच्चों के मम्मी पापा थे, जो माँ बाप थे, वो बच्चों को इन सारी चीज़ों में सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे। वो सोचते थे कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई में बच्चों को ध्यान लगाना चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ जो पेंटिंग होती है, ड्राइंग होती है, डांस होता है, एक्टिंग होता है, इन सब में वो अपने बच्चों को जाना सही नहीं समझते थे। वो सोचते थे कि बच्चों को सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी रहती है। तो इसलिए उसके मम्मी पापा भी यही सोच रहे थे कि बेंजामिन ने सही किया है या गलत, क्योंकि वो चाहते थे कि बेंजामिन सिर्फ पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दे। अब थोड़ी देर बाद उसके पापा भी आ जाते हैं, तो पापा भी थोड़े से कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। वो भी पिक्चर देख के बहुत चौंक जाते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी नहीं सोचा था कि इतना छोटा सा बच्चा इतनी सुंदर पिक्चर बना सकता है। उन्होंने कभी नहीं सोचा था। तो वो देख के बहुत शॉक हो जाते हैं। लेकिन जैसे ही शॉक हो जाते हैं वो कुछ कहते नहीं। उनकी वाइफ उनसे पूछती है बेंजामिन की मम्मी की बोलिए कुछ, तो कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं। वो बस ये कहते हैं इसको लेके अलग रखो, इस पिक्चर को ले जाओ। वो कुछ आंसर नहीं देते। फिर कुछ हफ्तों बाद क्या होता है, वो जो उसके मम्मी पापा है, बेंजामिन के मम्मी पापा, वो प्रीस्ट को बुलाते हैं। प्रीस्ट कौन थे? चर्च के प्रीस्ट। जैसे फादर लोग होते हैं ना, जो चर्च का ख्याल रखते हैं, चर्च में जितनी भी पूजा प्रार्थना होती है फादर लोग कराते हैं, तो वो अपने चर्च के उन्हीं फादर को बुलाते हैं, प्रीस्ट को बुलाते हैं पिक्चर दिखाने के लिए। और वो पिक्चर दिखा के उनसे कहते हैं कि देखिए ये पिक्चर बेंजामिन ने बनाई है। और बेंजामिन बहुत समय से कुछ ना कुछ ड्रॉ करता रहता था, लेकिन हम लोगों ने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया। लेकिन ये पिक्चर आप देखिए कि कितनी सुंदर है। तो जैसे ही वो प्रीस्ट पिक्चर देखते हैं, वो प्रीस्ट भी बहुत ही बूढ़े व्यक्ति थे, लेकिन बहुत ही समझदार, तेज, और उनकी सब इज्जत करते थे और उनको सब प्यार करते थे। इसलिए ही तो बेंजामिन के मम्मी पापा ने उनको बुलाया, क्योंकि बेंजामिन की मम्मी पापा भी उनकी बहुत इज्जत करते थे। तो जैसे ही वो प्रीस्ट उस पेंटिंग को देखते हैं, वो पिक्चर को देखते हैं, वो भी बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं और वो बेंजामिन को बुलाते हैं और उसके सर पर हाथ रखते हैं। जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में भी देख रहे हैं, आपके पास बुक है, यू कैन सी इन द बुक ऑल्सो कि वो कैसे बेंजामिन के सर पे हाथ रखे हुए हैं। सो नाउ वी सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बट फॉर टुडे ओनली दिस मच इज देयर। You have to learn these word meanings which are there on the board, and you have to learn the difficult words. Yes, I am going to show some difficult words which I have marked in the book. So you have to learn them. So learn these difficult words and learn the difficult words and write the difficult words in your rough notebook. So yes, I am going to show the difficult words now. So these are the difficult words given on page number 26, the next page of the chapter. So please write these difficult words carefully in your rough notebook, not in your fair notebook. You have to write these words in your rough notebook. Earlier I said fair notebook, but no, you have to write it in your rough notebook only, all these words carefully, and please learn them. Learn the difficult words and learn the word meanings. Learn these difficult words which I have underlined. So yes, that's all for today. Thank you.